everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I have got a limited edition summer beauty bag to share with you, and this is by Glossybox. This is what it looks like. So as well as the bag, inside contains 12 beauty products, 5 are full size. It has a value of over £115 and you can purchase it for £30. All links related to Glossybox and any offers they've got currently running on their website at the moment, and also a link to the summer bag you will find down below in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. This bag was kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I'm on Glossybox's PR list, so I'm very grateful that they send these out to me. So yeah, so let's get on to opening up and showing you what's inside. So we've got a little card here that it comes with. Ready for summer sun? We are. Whether you're travelling abroad or staycationing close to home this year, the beauty buys in our summer beauty bag limited edition are the perfect holiday companions. Must-haves for your skin, hair and makeup bag. Every summer essential has been covered. I'll just show you what the bag looks like. It's nice, isn't it? It's really nice. I love the fact that you can open it up like that. Would be handy for beauty products or underwear, whatever. Okay, first up we've got a product by Bubble Tea, and this is a body lotion in mango iced tea, and it says here don't drink me. There's 100 mils. Oh, I just know I'm gonna love this. I know it, I know it. I love anything that smells of fruit. Oh, it is gorgeous. It is really, really lovely. Oh, that is so, so nice. It says it contains aloe vera extracts. Okay then. So this is full size and can be bought for £4.99. Indulge your body with sweet notes of mango and all of the refreshment of a cold iced tea on a hot day. Simply massage into your skin for a fresh and fruity pick-me-up. Next we've got a mascara by Ico London, Beach Waterproof Mascara in black. It says Vacay and Volume. Again, another full-size item. Me personally, I don't like Ico London mascaras, so I'll be passing this on to someone. But it's a shame really, because waterproof mascaras are really handy. They are really handy. I don't know. Have I tried this one before? I'm sure I have. There was a time when there was lots and lots of Ico London mascaras in lots of different subscription boxes. I can't remember if I've tried this one before. The packaging looks a little bit different. I'll try it and see. I might be pleasantly surprised. But yeah, this is deluxe mini, not full size, sorry, and it's worth £10. To buy the full size, it'll cost you £19. This waterproof formula is perfect for swimming laps, lounging poolside or sunning it up at the beach. Conditioning whilst coating every lash for a full flutter. This mascara creates major lift, length and volume. Next we got a product by Filorga, and this is Supreme Multi Correction Serum, and we've got a teeny tiny 4 mils here. This 4ml is worth £10.40. Rejuvenate your complexion with a supercharged anti-aging formula packed with brightening and age-defying ingredients. A blend of 50 active ingredients work to revitalise your skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and improving the skin's elasticity and firmness. So we've got a face serum. Next we've got a translucent setting powder by Mercier, and this is a deluxe mini. Yeah. Really nice powder. This little mini is worth £5.60. The full size is worth £22.50. The best-selling lighter than air powder will set and prolong the wear of any under eye product you wear, instantly brightening your under eye area. This powder adds a touch of sheer coverage whilst never settling into fine lines or accentuating shadows. Is that? Next we've got a lip mask, and this is by Project Lip, and this is Prep the Pout Hydrating, Soothing and Collagen Infused Mask. And we've got a single-use lip mask there, and it tells you how to use it on the back. This is full size and the recommended retail price is £3.95. Step up your lip game with this hydrating, soothing and collagen infused hydrogel lip mask, working to moisturise dry, chapped lips. The ingredients in this mask absorb effectively to leave lips feeling smoother and more plump. Next we've got a little blush from NARS. This is in shade Orgasm X. Is that any different to Orgasm? I don't know. I love these little minis. They are super tiny, but perfect size to downsize like your makeup if you're going away somewhere, isn't it? It's beautiful. I really, really do like it. Their Orgasm shade is lovely. It's a really nice shade there. It's a highlighter and blush in one. It's quite a shimmery blush there. No, it doesn't say anything about the X. So this little mini is worth £6.25. To purchase the full size, it will cost you £25. Add a little colour to your cheeks with this lightweight blush from NARS, ideal for creating a natural, healthy looking glow that looks lit from within. This blush will help you achieve the ultimate soft and sheer look whilst also nourishing your complexion with essential vitamins. It's got blusher. Next we've got a product by Hawaiian Tropic, and this is a SPF 30 mineral protective sun lotion. It's a skin nourishing milk, UVA, UVB, and we've got 30 mils here. Now I received this a little while ago and it is really nice. I do really like it on my skin. This is Deluxe Mini and it's worth £4.50. Purchase the full 100ml size, it'll cost you £14.99. The first Hawaiian Tropic sun lotion with 100% mineral filters for both UVA and UVB protection, as well as forming a protective shield on your skin surface. This lightweight vegan formula also delights your senses and nourishes your skin. Thanks to island-inspired botanicals such as kakawai nut, if I've said that right, and coconut. It's also reef friendly. Next, we've got some self-tanning drops by Skinny Tan. This is for your face, and there's 100 mils here. I love Skinny Tan. Absolutely love Skinny Tan. It just looks like it contains whiskey. Okay, this is a full-size product and the recommended retail price is £14.99. Turn your favourite moisturiser into a gradual tanner or apply these tanning drops solo for a gorgeous glow. Containing hydrating aloe vera and guarana, your skin will feel nourished and enjoy a signature coconut and caramel scent. Next we've got the Eco Beauty Capsule by Solv Pump and Glow Serum. Hydration boost, strengthening skin barrier, anti-wrinkle, triple hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, and there's 14 capsules inside here. So we've got 2 of these. This is full size and can be bought for £9.99. Improving your skin's barrier, moisturising your complexion and smoothing out fine lines are these Plump and Glow capsules. Packed with super hydrating plumping serum, these capsules provide skin with an intense moisture boost. Next we've got a product by Figs and Rouge, and we've got Wonder Love Sea Pearl Halo Dew Drops. And we've had a few products in Glossybox from this brand before, but never this. It's green. Oh, I'm mixing it in with everything now. Ooh, feels really lovely on the skin, and it's giving my skin a really pretty glow. Not too shimmery. Does it smell? No scent. This is full size and it will cost you £30. The Sea Pearl Enchanting Illumination Halo Dew Drops will up your skin game. This ultra lightweight aloe vera and vitamin enriched formula is designed to balance and brighten your complexion for a soft, luminous glow. It says use alone or blend with moisturiser and foundation, customized by layering to build and illuminate. Also can be used on a bare complexion for a natural glow. Yeah, I love that. I cannot wait to give that a go. It just leaves the right amount of glow. I don't like anything that's too shimmery. It just makes my pores look awful, makes my fine lines by my eyes and my forehead stand out more. But yeah, this is promising. I do really like that. So there's that. Next we've got something for the hair, and this is by Amica, and this is Flash Instant Shine Mask, and we've got 30 mils here. This is a deluxe mini and it is worth £3. To purchase the full size 200ml, it'll cost you £20. From dull to dazzling, this mask instantly seals your hair's cuticles while softening and hydrating for a silky smooth finish, delivering moisture and shine in just 60 seconds. It's perfect for all hair types. And lastly, we got a product by Vita Liberata, and this is a Heavenly Elixir in medium for face and body, and we've got 30 mils here. Ooh, I wonder if this actually tans you. Yes, it does. It says here, the ultimate hydrating medium self-tan, which fades evenly over 10 days. This is Deluxe Mini and it's worth £11. To purchase the full size 200ml, it'll cost you £34. A luscious cocoa scented hydrating self tan that melts effortlessly into your skin, locking in moisture for up to 72 hours. This tan will leave your skin feeling soft, conditioned and nourished, as well as naturally golden brown. Oh. So those are all the products, so I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. Got a little travel bag there, bubble tea, body lotion, Ico London black waterproof mascara. We've got a Figs and Rouge Halo Dew Drops. We've got an Amica Instant Shine Mask, Hawaiian Tropic Mineral SPF 30 Cream. We've got a Skinny Tan Face Self Tanning Drops. Got a NARS Blush in shade Orgasm. Filorga Supreme Multi Correction Serum. Got a Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. We've got Solv Pump and Glow 14-day capsules. Project Lip Mask. And lastly, Vita Liberata Tinted Tanning Elixir Cream. So there's 12 products in all. It has a value of over £115 and you can purchase it off the Glossybox website for £30. And also, if you are a subscriber to a Glossybox subscription box, then don't forget to fill in your questionnaires at the end of every month, where in return you'll receive credits and you can use those credits for money off any purchases off the Glossybox website. So you could get this box at a discounted cost. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know what you think about this bag. Have you bought it, or are you thinking, nah, it's not for me? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.